Shillong MP Vincent Pala has asked the Congress party leaders to be united as the party is gearing up to face the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Addressing a meeting of the Congress party workers of Ribhoi district, Pala also lauded the efforts of the party leaders and workers in strengthening the party for the welfare of Meghalaya citizens. He also slammed the BJP, saying that the government at the centre is disrespecting the emotions of the country. Other senior leaders of the party, like Leader of Opposition Ronnie V. Lingdo, MLAs and party functionaries were also present in the meeting.
Ngadalang parti nabuk na jali idi bandang kecil terang abang kerangki kisus tiara mana kini mudah meeting apa gali lain kita meeting apa gali bayi kisus bangunnya batai sipai ba kibabon kisus kelang na 60% kini bandang na kisus naga ki state issues but 40% kini na ki national issues.
NPP candidate for Shillong parliamentary seat